Hello everyone and welcome to a quick tutorial of how to install Trimble Virtual World on your PC. So we are able to go through Installation Manager. So if you go to install.trimble.com, you will get access to the Installation Manager. So click on that, download it and install it. So very easy. When you go to your search, you go to Trimble Installation Manager and you can open it from there. Very simply, so that is going to be your interface. If you go under Control, that's where you will find Installation Manager. Okay, me it's directly visible because I have a special license for it. But if you do Show All, that's where everyone can find the application. Okay, so you go there and you go to latest release. So at the moment we are on 2.3.0 and that is the one you want to install. Or you can just say latest release and it will automatically pick the latest one. Install Trimble Virtual World. Me, if I click that, he's going to say I already installed it. Once it's done, you can go to the Windows search and you do Virtual World and you will find Virtual World as your application. Remember, that's important, the installation of Virtual World does not install your Trimble Access or your SiteWorks as well. You will need to install this application as well separately, but you should be able to find them as well in the Installation Manager. And both of them should be licensed independently. So to your TID, we can license the Virtual World, and so when you logged in, here you will use your normal Virtual World login, TID login. Same, you want to run with Trimble Access. Now I have installed Trimble Access and there is one right there. Okay, so that is really a simple video of how to install and run Virtual World. That's all. Thank you. See you in the next video.